Alright, class. Today we're going to continue our lesson and we're going to go on into a brain pop video talking about multiplying fractions and whole numbers. Okay, we've gone over everything else, so now we're going to watch this quick clip on multiplying fractions and whole numbers. Alright, let's get into it.
All right. Mysteries of life. Brownie.
Brownies.
Ew, how'd that get in there? Dear Tim and Moby, how do you multiply and divide fractions? From Joe. You're in luck, Joe. We're going to have to multiply fractions to get through this brownie baking mess. Okay, we're baking for 40 people. Better not be as bad as it sounds. Well, 1 1/2 kilograms of brownie mix will make enough brownies for 10 people. So, how many kilos of that mix will we need for 40 people? 40 tenths times 1 1/2. We can reduce that first part to make it easier. 40 divided by 10 is the same as 4 over 1. Let's get that 1 1/2 out of its mixed number form. 1 times 2 halves equals 2 halves, plus 1/2 is 3 halves. When you multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators and denominators separately. 4 times 3 equals 12, and 1 times 2 equals 2. 12 halves is 6. So we need 6 kilograms of brownie mix? You need that in grams? Okay. Well, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So we can multiply 1,000 by 6 pretty easily to get 6,000 grams.
Hands down.
But I just told you. Okay, fine. I'll show you how to do it by dividing fraction.
Alright, so that's the multiplying, okay? So now we're going to go into this quick quiz. Alright, it's going to be our interactive quiz for today.
You got a quiz?
Yeah, man, it's an oral quiz. Alright, and our oral quiz, how we're going to do it is basically they give you the question, and basically we're going to orally go over the questions, alright? If you get it right, simply put, you get it correct, and you'll get something as a reinforcer, a piece of candy or something. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead. Donovan, read number 1 for us.
What is the multiplicative inverse of 1-4?
1/4, okay? So basically, it's basically saying if you take this, what's the inverse? Basically turn it around. 1 over 4. It's 4. Good job, Mr. Donovan. Well, let's see if you're correct first before we tell you. C, it's correct. Good job. Number 2, which of the following, I'm sorry, Mr. Donovan, go ahead and read for us.
Which of the following is a step in multiplying 3/4 by 3/5?
All right, what do you think it is? Hold on. I want to hear Mr. Richardson. Mr. Richardson has a lot to say today. Mr. Richardson, which one do you think it is?
He was asking me a question.
All right, Mr. Richardson, I'm asking you. Which one is it, Mr. Richardson? A, B, C, or D?
It's B.
B. All right, we're going to go with B. Let's see what Mr. B is about. Nope.
Nope.
Try again.
Do it.
All right, let's go. Somebody else tell me. Let's go. Come on.
Multiplying 3 and
Okay.
3.
Let me help you all out, okay?
3
Now, it says adding 3 and 3. What are we doing today? Multiplying. Okay? So it couldn't be this one. It couldn't be finding the lowest denominator. What
it's
about
C? It's C.
It's C? All right,
Yes.
let's check it out.
Yeah.
Correct. Good job. All right. And that'll be it for today. Good job, fellas. Mr. Richardson, go ahead and turn on the light for us. Good job, fellas. I'm proud of y'all. All right. So the biggest thing in this whole entire lesson is understanding how to multiply fractions and whole numbers. By us being able to multiply fractions and whole numbers, it's going to help us in the real world when it comes to separating things, putting things in different orders. So, all right, gentlemen, good job. The bell is about to ring. Y'all go ahead and pack up, when we get out of here. Let's go.